Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is electronic devices. This is 6th 2-mark question came in 2003 GATE. When the gate to source voltage VGS of a MOSFET with threshold voltage of 400 millivolts working in saturation is 900 millivolts, the drain current is observed to be 1 milliampere. Neglecting the channel length modulation effect and assuming that the MOSFET is operating at saturation, drain current for an applied VGS of 1400 millivolts is A. 0.5 milliamperes, B. 2.0 milliamperes, C. 3.5 milliamperes, D. 4 milliamperes. Simply, the question is MOSFET is in saturation region whose threshold voltage is 400 millivolts. If the VGS value is 900 millivolts, by that time drain current is 1 milliampere. If we apply VGS of 1400 millivolts, what will be the drain current? So that was asked. Correct answer for this question is D. 4 milliamperes. So we see the details now. The given information is MOSFET is in saturation with threshold voltage is 400 millivolts and drain current observed is 1 milliampere when VGS is 900 millivolts. What should be the drain current when VGS is changed to 1400 millivolts? Very simple. So we should know the drain current equation in saturation. The drain current equation in saturation is ID is equal to K into VGS minus VT whole square. So ID is proportional to VGS minus VT whole square. So compare these two cases with respect to this equation. We can write like this: ID2 divided by ID1 is equal to VGS2 minus VT whole square divided by VGS1 minus VT whole square. So VGS2 is nothing but 1400, VT is 400. VGS1 is 900, VT is 400. So we can write it as ID2 divided by ID1 is 1 milliampere. 1 milliampere is equal to 1000 square divided by 500 square. So this is millivolts, we are writing in terms of volts. 1000 millivolts is nothing but 1 volt, 500 millivolts is nothing but 0.5 volts. So now we are turning towards volts. 1 square divided by 0.5 square. So 1 by 0.25, which is nothing but 4. So ID2 is equal to 4 times of ID1. So 4 into 1, that is nothing but 4 milliamperes. So when the VGS is changed to 1400 millivolts, the drain current will be equal to 4 milliamperes. The correct answer for the question given is D. 4 milliamperes. Thank you.